Hello, hi, and welcome to Storytime Session Superheroes. Today, we will be discussing about a habit that you need to develop in your life. A good habit that you need to develop in your life. So, first, what is a habit? Can you tell me the definition of a habit? Yes, habit is a routine behavior, a daily behavior that happens in your life and that occur in your life on a daily basis. Without your knowledge. The subconscious will be doing it regularly. This is a simple definition of habit. And now I am going to tell you some examples of good and bad habits. Waking up early in the morning is a good habit, isn't it? Waking up late in the morning is a bad habit. And helping your father and mother in kitchen is a good habit. While eating junk food daily is a bad habit, isn't it? Today we will be discussing a good habit that you need to develop in your life. And the good habit is savings. Yes, saving money is a good habit that you need to develop in your life. And today I'll be talking about how to develop the habit of saving money. But before that, let's listen to the story of Appu. He wants to tell you something very interesting, a habit that he developed in his life. Are you ready to listen to it? Come on then.
Hello, hi, I'm Appu. Today you are going to hear my story. I live in a beautiful village named Anandapuram. Do you want to know how the village got its name? It's because people help each other and live happily here. Thus, the village got its name Anandapuram. My father is a carpenter and he makes wooden toys for kids. I help him by carrying the woods, packing toys, and cleaning the workshop. In return, my father always provides me with 10 rupees for the help done. I collect the money I receive in a small kudka. Do you know what a kudka is? It's a small box in which I save the money I receive. Friends, you can also have a kudka. You know, I made my kudka with wooden box. It's not just my father that I help other villagers as well. You know, I help Muthiyamma in making neyyapam. In return, Muthiyamma provide me with 10 rupee, which I drop in my kudka. I help Kuttappan in knitting fishnet. In return, Kuttappan provide me with 10 rupee, which I drop in my kudka. I help Kuttiyamma by fetching her 3 pots of water daily. In return, Kuttiyamma provide me with 10 rupee, which I drop in my kudka. I help Hari the librarian in stacking books, Devi, my teacher, in arranging the classroom, Unni, the milkman, in carrying milk bottles to shop. All of them, in return, provide me with 10 rupee coin, which I drop in my kudka. One day, my mother asked me, Appu, what's your plan with the money you save? The kudka is almost full. I replied, I will buy a bicycle with the money saved, Amma. Thus, I can reach faster to people who need my help. My Amma was proud of me. One day, we woke up to the sad news that the neighboring village is flooded because of heavy rain. We, the people of Anandapuram, started helping the neighboring villagers by providing them with food and shelter. The master of our village started collecting money to help the neighboring villagers to rebuild their houses. I donated all my savings to the needy by breaking the kudka. I can buy bicycle anytime. Now it's important to help the villagers, I said to the village master. Even now, I help my villagers in their daily activity and save the money I receive for buying a bicycle. So, hope you all enjoyed my story. Save. Start saving money from small age. This is what I would like to tell you people. Thank you.
Hope you all enjoyed the story of Appu and his savings habits. Today, I am going to talk about how you can inculcate saving habits. Are you ready for it? First of all, what you need to have is a kudka where you can save money. This was my kudka when I was a kid. I used to save all the money which I used to receive in this small kudka. I named it Emil's treasure chest. And I also used to have a small book in which I used to write down the amount which I received. Thus, I started a savings bank of my own. So, I use this money for buying storybooks, sports equipments, and even video games. You can also start this saving habit. You know, we receive money from our parents, our relatives during our birthdays, even in festival seasons, and many other means, isn't it? So don't spend them all of a sudden, but start saving them. So today I am going to give you tips on how you can develop the habit of savings. First of all, you need to have a kudka of your own. Then a book in which you can write down the amount received and who provided the amount. So these two things are a must. And name your kudka. Give a good name for your kudka too. And then, how can I get money from people? This is the next question, isn't it? So, during your birthdays, your parents will be gifting money, your relatives will be gifting money during festival seasons. Start collecting all of them. And you can have money in some other means too. You can help your parents in kitchen by helping them washing the dishes, cooking in kitchen, and cleaning the floor, cleaning the house proper, making your wardrobes neat and tidy, making your room neat and tidy. Thus, you can get some money in return. You can help your father in washing his car, his bike. All these things can be done for having some amount of money, isn't it? So start collecting them regularly. Start collecting them regularly. Other means by which you can save money is by having a kitchen garden at home. When fruits and vegetables grow in your kitchen garden, you can sell the excess fruits and vegetables that you got. Having a hobby of breeding fishes, having an aquarium and selling small fishes also can earn you some money, isn't it? So start bit by bit and start saving. Always make sure that you have a book in which you write down the amount received so that it can be accounted proper. By not opening the kudka, you can find out the amount that you have in kudka because of this book. Count the amount by end of 3 months. Count the amount by end of 6 months. Count the amount by end of an year. Then you will understand that you have saved a lot. And then you can buy whatever you wish. You can save by other means too. You all buy junk food items, toffees, ice creams regularly, isn't it? You can stop that. You can stop buying Lays every day. Instead, save that money, save that 5 rupee in your kudka and stop eating junk food. You will be healthy, at the same time you will be saving some money too, isn't it? So these are the saving tips that I would like to give you small kids. Today on, have a kudka of yours and start saving. Hello dear parents, now I have some important message for you people. Try to develop the saving habit in your kid because it's good for his future. It will do good in his future. he will be understanding how to utilize money proper. So start it in his right age. When he is 6 years old itself, you can start the habit of saving in him. For that, encourage him for whatever good task or good deed he or she does. Provide him with a little amount of money for the same. Ask him to have a kudka of his own and start collecting the money inside. You people can sit together and open the kudka and encourage him. This is what I would like to tell you parents. Superheroes, try to have a kudka of yours today itself. Give a name for your kudka and then have a book of yours where you can write down the amount received. This is the activity for you people this week. Have a kudka of yours, start doing good deeds, start saving money and enjoy buying things. Make sure that you are sending the picture of your kudka along with the name of your kudka to your class teacher. Hope you all enjoyed today's session. See you next time. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Superheroes, do send the picture of your kudka along with its name to your class teachers. Kickstart your saving habit. All the best.